Get a closer look at that.
You ever feel like you gotta just spice something up every once in a while? That's how I'm feeling right now. I gotta spice things up. So I wanna find something interesting at the Japanese dollar store. It's called Daiso. Everything's marked $1.50 unless otherwise. Can I find something interesting? I don't know. Let's find out. So for those of you who don't know, Daiso is a really cool Japanese dollar store where they have a lot of different things ranging from like kitchen items to office items to home items. And this is the biggest one that we have in Seattle. There's like hella aisles here. Nice. Here we are in the kitchen section. I already knew to come here because I thought there would be something interesting, and I was right. There is some pretty cool stuff here. Container for 2 slices of bread. It's neat, but not for me today. Or maybe a cheese case. Carry American cheese on the go. Would it fit in my pocket though? Probably not. Okay, now we're talking. A soy sauce pump. This could be interesting. Oh shoot, there's even an oil pump. That could be cool too, if I want to do like a little squirt of oil on something. I'm not just gonna aimlessly buy shit. I also want to see if it works, so we're gonna see if this works after. What do we have here? Can you guys tell what this is? What is this? I was confused as well. I can't read that, but I'll tell you right now. Oh shoot, it says it right here in English. It's an egg separator. I mean, we can put it to the test, see if it works. Yo, what's this song? Do you guys remember this song? It sounds like a 90s song. Can you even hear it? I don't remember. Motherfucker. Baked, never fried. I used to love fucking baked, never fried. They're tiny size Funyuns. These are good. These are really good. Damn. Okay, what I'm most excited to try first is this thing. Does this thing actually work? Because if it does, it'd be kind of useful not having to use your hands all the time. Let's see. Here we go, moment of truth. Ho 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 ho! Come on, you know you want to. There it is.
Get a closer look at that. Okay. I'll take it. It works. I can get a nice looking egg with that.
If you haven't seen my video on how to make an emoji egg, go watch it, and I explain how you can do this process with your hands. But having this little device, kind of cool, because now I don't need that to use my hands. Anyways, that's a cool device for $1. What else did I get? Oh, let's see if this works. Nice. This thing is pretty sweet. That's gonna live in my fridge. I probably should have gotten the American cheese holder, by the way. Next time.